हाय गाइस, व्हाट्सअप एंड वेलकम टू अनदर वीडियो ऑन CS मोटो ब्लॉग्स। और काफ़ी टाइम बाद ये वीडियो आया बिकॉज राइड के बाद थोड़ा वापस रिविजनेशन पीरियड चल रहा था जिसमें हमने वापस एनर्जी गेन की बहुत सारी, और अब जाके ये वीडियो आया राइड के बाद। तो आज हम जा रहे हैं एक स्पेशल बाइक का वॉक अराउंड लेने के लिए। देखते हैं टेस्ट ड्राइव मिलना पॉसिबल हो तो टेस्ट ड्राइव भी लेंगे, नहीं तो वॉक अराउंड तो फॉर श्योर है। हिंट देता हूँ, KTM। वैसे हिंट क्या देना है, आप लोग ने तो थंबनेल और टाइटल देख के ऑलरेडी आपको पता है कि हम कौन सी गाड़ी देखने जा रहे हैं। तो हम देखने जा रहे हैं KTM ड्यूक 390 एडवेंचर, और इसके लिए हम जा रहे हैं बानेर, KTM बानेर जो कि पुणे में, एंड डायरेक्टली वहीं चल के मिलते हैं फिर। ठीक है, आओ ना।
Your audio, when you go to audio, basically this becomes your joystick to control the music. It accepts only the music player from Google.
Okay.
It will not select anything else.
And where will it play it on the phone direct?
On the earphones.
Okay.
The second thing
this
comes,
gets connected with the Bluetooth वैसा.
But usually what you have to do, you have to connect your Bluetooth earphones to your phone and your phone to this device.
Okay. And then you can change the songs from
And even you can see the call coming in.
Oh, okay.
The ID will be, caller ID will be displayed over here on the half screen. This will be your receive and disconnect button. The second thing is your navigation. For this you have to buy the 600 rupees one time navigation system on KTM app.
So it's a subscription kind of thing.
One time buying रहेगा, and that will be not a full map, but it will show you the left turn, right turn, distance to destination.
Okay,
that will be only showed on this one, not the whole map.
And all things are controlled by phone app only.
All things are controlled by phone app. The second thing comes to your phone pairing and your earphone pairing.
Okay.
And after that you have that trip 1, trip 2, general information, warning lights, and then you have the motorcycle where you can kind of go to your MTC, which is motorcycle traction control, which can be turned off, turned on.
Okay.
Then you have the ABS as in off-roading, where your front ABS get activated, rear get turned off.
It's a dual channel ABS.
It's a dual channel. Okay. Road will help you with the dual channel ABS. Off-road will help you only with the front ABS, and the rear will be turned off.
Okay.
After that you have the quick shifter to be turned on and turned off.
Okay.
Then you have the settings where the first favorite makes you select anything that you want to be reflected on the first page, on the screen, first screen, like the fuel consumption, fuel range. Then you have the date, time, battery, phone signal.
Battery is basically bike का battery.
Bike का battery और phone का battery भी दिखाएगा if you select that.
Okay.
And phone signal भी दिखाएगा आपको. Then you have quick launch on this, and you are selected, which will be like reflected over here.
Okay.
Then secondary, select quick second button. Then you have the Bluetooth to be turned off, turn on. Then you have display thing where you can turn off the sensor. Basically it will not will be dimmed or brightened.
Right.
It will stay normal. And then you have the shifter light as usual. You have the clock and date setting, units, language, service, extra function. If anything comes, an update will be added on this.
Okay.
Whenever the person comes for service, if you find anything is there to be updated, will be done. So that's all features are right now on this bike.
That's the exhaust gas. Kind of looking like Himalayan. WP Apex, and even the front ones are
An intense off-roading.
WP Apex. So there are these LEDs which will work when you press the brake, And that's how it looks complete. So the bike's available in two variants, white and the matte orange one. The matte orange one looks more classy, whereas the white one looks more, I think, aggressive, you can say. But KTM's color always orange with a finish of matte grey or black, whatever you can say. And that's the adventure for you guys. Get a charging slot here. I think यहाँ पे फ़ोन अगर आपने लगाया तो डायरेक्टली यू कैन प्लग इट हियर. बटन्स का फील बहुत अच्छा है. एयर फिल्टर, बैटरी, फ्यूज एंड छोटा सा डिक्की विद द सप्लाइड टूल किट. टूल किट अच्छा है.
भरा हुआ है.
भरा हुआ है एग्जैक्टली. पाउच भी अच्छा है टूल किट का. You get all the Allen keys and whatsoever you need for doing certain things on this bike. Toolkit hai and first aid hai. So booking will start from 28th of January and you can directly come to KTM Baner. 10,000 is the booking price for this bike. And yep, that's the overview for KTM 390 Adventure.
They're on the kitchen floor.
So guys, first ride at on KTM Adventure 390, and that's the position exactly to the pickup. And what about the brakes? Let's check the brakes at the signal. So initial torque उतना खतरनाक नहीं है जितना 390 का होता है KTM का, but amazing piece. You can see my feet are half down, not fully down, because this is a adventure tourer, so काफ़ी ऊपर रहेगा हाइट में for obvious reasons. And riders below 5'6" will have 5'6", not 5'6", riders below 5'8" will have trouble in riding this bike क्योंकि tiptoes होएगा बहुत ज़्यादा and tiptoes are dangerous. So और बहुत प्यारा पिकअप, बहुत प्यारा साउंड, नॉट इरिटेटिंग साउंड, वेरी स्मूथ साउंड. अंडरबेली एग्जॉस्ट नहीं है, प्रॉपर एक बड़ा एग्जॉस्ट है. एंड ब्रेक्स आर नाइस. ABS इज़ करंटली रोड, दैट मीन्स दोनों टायर ABS पे हैं. एंड व्हेन इट गोज़ टू ऑफ रोड दैट मीन्स ओनली फ्रंट टायर ABS पे रहेगा, रियर टायर एंड विल नॉट बी, इट विल बी, ABS विल बी ऑफ फॉर द रियर टायर. और MTC मतलब ट्रैक्शन कंट्रोल भी अभी ऑन है. WP फोक्स, एडजस्टेबल फोक्स, एंड इनसे जो है फोक्स आप एडजस्ट कर सकते हैं. दिस टूल इज़ ऑलमोस्ट लाइक 27,000 rupees as the showroom guy told us. And yeah, I've got this test drive from KTM Baner, Orange Automotive KTM Baner, and thanks to them for letting me hands on this bike. And if you are wanting to get this bike sooner, do contact them for great price, and you get this bike fully loaded with all the functions, everything included. That's all. And I'm going to take a turn as soon as the signal goes green and screen. We'll take a turn. And standing position on this bike, super comfortable, super duper comfortable. Let's do the initial 0 to 100. अंदर करना है क्या? So guys, that was all about the test drive on KTM 390 Adventure, and yup, it's amazing bike, amazing experience to be riding this. One of the first people to be test driving this bike here in Pune, and test drives आज ही शुरू हुई थी by the way, and today itself we got the test drive. Also, few things I like about the bike I would like to tell. पहली चीज़ traction control, दूसरी चीज़ dual channel ABS which is switchable to front and rear tire, और तीसरी चीज़ आई वुड से कि जो भी बाइक आपको पूरी मिल रही है वो पूरी एक्सेसरीज लोड होके आपको मिल रही है. तो यूजुअली क्या होता है कि जब भी आप बाइक खरीदते हो तो यू हैव टू पे फॉर द एक्सेसरीज. थोड़ा इसमें ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, इसमें यू गेट ऑल द एक्सेसरीज. शोरूम प्राइस है इसका 2,99,000 एंड एक्स शोरूम प्राइस पुणे का बनेगा ऑलमोस्ट अराउंड 3,60,000. राइट नाउ उनके पास कोई कोटेशन नहीं था, बट इन फ्यू डेज यू शुड बी एबल टू गेट अ कोटेशन, एंड देयर वाज द बाइक फॉर यू गाइस. इसी के साथ व्लॉग एंड करते हैं और लाते रहेंगे ऐसे अच्छे अच्छे व्लॉग्स. टिल देन, राइड सेफ, राइड हार्ड. जय हिंद, जय भारत, बाय बाय.
Running for you every day and night. I'm running for you, gotta move, don't want no ride. So worry